Rajam, I'm going to show the new laptop to Pachamuttu.
I really don't know when you're going to stop this habit of boasting.
Come, Paramdaman.
Ah,
Couldn't see you for a week. Did you buy something new?
This is Parandaman and this is Pachamuttu. Both have been friends since young. Even then, Parandaman has been rich with his own house, car, etc. Pachamuttu's father was an ordinary government clerk. So he always spent carefully. Parandaman is also a nice person, but this habit of boasting alone is still there.
Hi, remote car.
Hey, hiya.
Hi.
How's the car? Super, isn't it?
Superb. Please show it to me.
My father bought me this from foreign. Hiya.
Hi.
My father got me this car from Malaysia. Super, isn't it?
It is super, yeah.
This is a super video game.
Please let me play once.
Sure.
Yay.
I'm a Superman. Hey, why so much time to open the door? My legs are paining, you know.
Hey, sorry. Please come in.
Hey, you know no one has this dress. Can you beat that?
Pachamuttu, this is the new laptop I got for Ramesh. How is it?
It's a nice laptop.
Oh, it has been a very hectic week. I wanted admission to that big school for my son. I had to run around a lot and finally paid a huge amount and managed to finalize it somehow. What to do? This is about my son's future. That's why. By the way, in which school have you put Ganga in?
I didn't put her in a school. I have got her a seat in our Chennai Samrita International Institute of Hotel Management.
What have you done? Our Ganga is a brilliant student. Instead of sending her to school, why are you sending her to some catering course?
It's not a catering course. It's a hotel management course. She's studying how to manage 3-star, 5-star, 7-star and other big hotels. This course is based on how to manage this type of hotels. In 6 months, you will get a part-time job. In the second year, chance to go abroad for training. Not only that, but even before finishing the course, there are possibilities to secure a job.
I have also seen this in TV and other media. But these are so unbelievable, yeah. Look here, Pachamuttu. This is about your daughter's future. Think thoroughly before acting.
There is nothing to think. I myself went, inquired, saw everything with my own eyes. Then got her the admission.
Okay, Pachamuttu. I'm leaving.
Okay.
What is this? Instead of wearing a uniform, she's wearing a suit?
This is the uniform of our Chennai Samrita.
Dad, I have to go to the office to collect my ID card, okay?
Okay, dear.
Mom, I'm leaving.
Okay.
Ganga, wait. I'll drop you on the way.
Okay, uncle.
Okay, I'll take leave. yaar.
Okay.
Okay, bye, uncle.
Bye.
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 For whom are you looking for this course, sir? Is it for your son or your daughter?
Madam, I do not want to hide anything from you. I will tell you openly.
Okay.
This is not for my son or daughter. My friend's daughter is studying here.
Okay.
I have seen a lot about this in TV. Now, after hearing what my friend says, I am awestruck. Are these all really possible?
Definitely, sir. Your friend had come here, inquired, and then visited the college in person. Everything you're awestruck about is very true. And in some time, you can understand and see them through your own eyes. Our car is ready outside. You please go and see how Chennai Amrita's classrooms and labs are. Welcome to Chennai Amrita.
Hello, madam.
Please come, sir. Please come. This is our front office lab.
Oh.
Come, let's go inside.
Sir, when I came inside Chennai's Amrita campus, I had a lot of doubts. But the downstairs counselors clarified everything. They showed me around the campus also. I have absolutely no doubts now, sir. Sir, but there are about two major points which I'm still not clear about. That's why I took an appointment with you to get those questions answered directly by you. Can I ask, sir?
Absolutely, you can ask. Please go ahead.
Sir, I looked around the complete infrastructure of Chennai's Amrita. From the classrooms to the labs, you have made it completely air conditioned. The college looks like a big star hotel. You also say there is a 100% guarantee for jobs. Also, you take practical classes daily. Looking at all these, the fees taken will also be significantly high, isn't it?
Your question is very valid, sir, actually. The main reason for creating Chennai's Amrita is to study an international course at a domestic cost. That is, to study a course of international standards at a local fees. And that is the motto behind starting Chennai's Amrita. Speaking about the fee structure varies depending on the course. Basically, the course fee here starts from 24,000 onwards. Even this fees of 24,000 rupees need not be paid in lump sum. It can be paid in EMIs also. And the students, if you see, are able to do part-time jobs after the 6th month of the course and earn a decent income. Many students are earning easily about 10,000 rupees per month. There are also students of Chennai's Amrita who are earning up to 15,000 also. If you go to a website, you can see all the details regarding that. So even this 24,000 rupees, which is payable in 6 months period, many students what they do is, from their own part-time earnings, they pay their semester fees this way also. There are many students who even send money to their home from their earnings. So in Chennai's Amrita, the fee starts from 24,000 rupees and there is no other fee payable by them. The books are given free to them. Record notes are also given free. There is nothing the students should bring for their practical classes. What we do in this institution is, all items required for the practicals, chicken, mutton, everything is given free of cost here itself. So if you see the fee of rupees 24,000, these students can very easily pay with their own income from the part-time jobs.
Dear?
Huh?
What happened to you? What have you been thinking about so much?
Our Pachamutu's daughter Ganga has joined Chennai's Amrita.
What? The institute with TV ads saying hotel studies and all? In that?
What do you mean in that? I did not believe what he said. I went to the institute and saw it all in my own eyes. Chennai's Amrita's classrooms, labs, all are excellent to see. It's not like a college. It feels like a 5-star hotel.
What are you blabbering? Class, 5-star hotel and all?
It's not that. As soon as you finish the 2-year course, you get a good job with an excellent pay. Feels like life will be settled. Maybe we should send our Ramesh also to Chennai's Amrita. What do you say?
What? Send our son to that college? Have you gone crazy? They are not sound financially, so they are sending her there. What is wrong with my son? We have enough money to spend for 3 generations. Apart from that, my son has to study +2, go to a college, then higher studies and many more. We are not in a situation that he has to start earning in 2 years and give us support.
No, Rajam. If you had seen what I saw, you will not talk like this.
Please listen. If you talk about that hotel studies one more time, I will get really mad at you.
Ah, when have you ever listened to me? Hey, I bought you an Apple computer for this, is it? My ill fate. Hey, hello Muthu. The house is completely changed. Earlier things were in a clutter and dusty.
All credits to Ganga, yaar. It doesn't matter if the house is big or small, she strives to keep the place neat and tidy.
Okay, I have wanted to ask you something for a long time. Is our Ganga attending classes regularly? Why I ask this because the size of my son's bag is like a tanker lorry. But Ganga, she carries no bag and not even a tiffin box some days. That's why I asked.
I will answer that question, uncle. In this course, there is absolutely no need to study day and night and memorize from a book because more than 90% is in practicals. It's all very easy, uncle. Okay, Dad, I'm going to take the project printout and then going for my shift.
Okay.
Mom, scooty keys.
Here, dear, ride safely.
Okay, Mom. Bye, Dad. Bye,
Okay,
uncle.
bye.
Dear.
Hey, I wanted to ask you, whose scooty is that? Friend of Ganga's?
That's Ganga's scooty.
How, yaar? I don't understand.
I told you, right? They give part-time job after 6 months. It has been 8 months now. I bought the scooty with an office loan. Now Ganga is paying the EMI from last month.
We have bunked school. It'll be a problem if people come to know at home. I have already taken a lot of leaves. Okay, how did you find the movie here? I thought it was very boring.
Yes, it was.
Hey, what are you doing? Roaming around here?
No, Dad, today I have school only half a day, that's why.
Half a day? At 11 a.m. is it half a day?
How did he come?
Huh? Who are these two?
My friends, Dad. Yes, Uncle.
What is his uniform and what is your uniform? What friends? Guys, this fellow does not have brains. He's wasting time. Where are your senses?
No, Uncle, I mean, this is just for fun.
For fun? Go concentrate on your studies. You idiot, you are always roaming around. Why are you spoiling these two?
No, Dad, the thing is...
Just go from here. Come here.
Huh?
What is that in your pocket? Show that pocket.
No, Dad, there's
What are you
nothing.
hiding? Show me. What is this?
Movie tickets from theatre.
Idiot, are you totally out of your senses? Damn! Go and concentrate on studies. Damn it. Roaming aimlessly, rascal.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. In Chennai Samrita you have studied and you have performed well also. So Chennai Samrita is sending you to Singapore for training with stipend. Are you happy now?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, brother. How are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome, yaar. Come in. We are waiting for you only.
Oh, Mom, you should not add curry leaves in French cuisine.
Is it so?
What, Ganga? What is the occasion today? Anything special?
It's my second year, uncle. As promised, Chennai Samrita has arranged for my foreign training. I'm leaving for Singapore this weekend.
Oh.
Have it, uncle.
Okay. Pachamuthu, regarding the money for my son's tour.
First have your food, then we will talk.
Ganga, have you made all arrangements for going to Singapore?
Everything is ready, uncle.
क्या इन रास्ता मंदिर क्या?
नहीं, ये रास्ता बंद है.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me, could
Yes?
you please tell me how to reach the main road?
You need to go down the road and take the first right.
Okay, thank you.
Ui, Liana não tela spa patrol.
Ui, Iliuna a aduat merci sabia.
How can you speak so many languages easily, Ganga?
Uncle, the course we study is about managing a 5-star hotel. What is a 5-star hotel? Who all will come? We will get guests from all around the world and we have to communicate with them. So obviously we have to know all the languages, isn't it? That's why at Chennai Samrita, spoken English, Chinese and French are taught to us free of cost. If I had to study these outside, it would have costed me in lakhs.
There you go, sir. Please take it, sir.
Sir, bike keys.
Whatever is to happen, let it happen. What to do?
Paramdama, stop. Where are you going by foot? Where is your car? Why are you like this? What happened to you?
What am I to say? I put my son in a very big school, paid donation, then that fees, this fees, coaching fees, tuition, entrance and all. For that I sold my car. Now he has got less marks in exam. So to give donation for his college, I'm going to the bank to mortgage my house. That is all I have.
Oh my God. You could have asked me for money.
I did not want to trouble you for everything. That's why. Not only that, this is a big amount. That's why.
Paramdama, yes, in just my earning it wouldn't be possible. But now Ganga has completed her training abroad and got a job also. I have saved the money she sent me during her training. There is no need to mortgage your house. Come with me. I will give you.
No, it's okay.
Hey, what is
I don't
this?
want.
Come on, come with me.
No, Pachamuthu, that's a big amount. Why unnecessary trouble to you?
It's okay, I will take care of that. Let's go, come.
Dear, our son has finished college. Nowadays, one can't get a job if you're just a degree holder. He has to do some higher studies to get a job. So I thought...
Look here, I don't have a single penny. We have already mortgaged this house for his college fees and now we should start paying the interest also. I just can't do anything.
That's not the point. I thought we can borrow some money from Ganga's father.
I knew you had asked. You used to make fun of her saying hotel study, remember? That same Ganga started working while studying, finished her course in 2 or 3 years, and with her abroad experience of 5 years, she is now in a managerial position in a 5-star hotel. But your son finished his plus 2, completed his degree course in 3 years, and has not got any job and is now roaming around.
Whatever I thought, everything is wrong, I realized it. Like Ganga, if we had also sent our Ramesh to Chennai Samartha, by now we also would have been relieved, I realized it. Now we are in deep trouble. Another 2 years of higher studies only. He may also land in a good job, I believe.
Now I have to do this also. Once upon a time, whenever I buy anything new, I used to show to him and boast about it. But now, whenever I go to him for asking money, I feel ashamed. What to do? He is smart. He planned his daughter's life properly and is now completely settled.
Hi, Dad. How are you?
I'm fine.
I have now become a senior manager. The company has given me a BMW car.
Wow.
Okay, Dad. Tell me what color you like.
Is maroon color okay?
Yes, okay.
Then fine.
Hi, Mom. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
We all are happy.
Stop the car, please. Parandaman. Parandaman.
Hello, sir.
Come here.
Sir? Hello, sir.
Mr. Parandaman, why haven't you come to the bank at all? Your son has completed the degree, but you haven't paid any interest yet.
No, sir. I had been wanting to come and meet you in person because with just a degree, my son is not finding a job. Please do something and increase the mortgage value of the property, and if you can give me an extra loan, I can send my son for higher studies.
Okay, come and meet me in the bank this afternoon, okay?
Many thanks, sir.
Hi, Dad. What are you doing? How are you all? How's Parandaman, uncle? Oh, has his son completed his studies?
To get this job, more than education, experience is more important.
Without experience, you cannot get any job.
You have a degree. Fine.
Without
Do you have any-
experience,
How can
degree
we
is
employ
of no
someone with
use.
no previous experience?
Have you got any experience working somewhere else?
Mom!
Wait, I'm
Mom!
coming. Hey, what's his daily? He is your friend, right? Will you not mend yourself at least after knowing him?
Who? Him? Are you kidding, Mom? He is my senior in college by 2 years. And he is yet to get a job. Okay, forget all that. Listen, Mom. Whatever has happened has happened. Let me ask you one thing.
Hey, talk slowly. Your father might wake up.
I know he's still awake. I'm sure. You don't change the topic. What was I saying? One thing I want to ask you. You asked me to study +2, I studied. You asked me to go to college, I went. But I didn't get a job. Not only that, you asked me to study further. I did that also. I studied and passed also. But now, if I go for a job interview, 1 year, 2 years, they are asking for experience. Experience. I agree. I didn't score good marks in my exam. But I still passed, right? If I keep studying for 7 years, where will I get work experience from? Qualification without work experience is of no use. They are making fun of me like an unsigned check. Eventually, you have all turned me into a good-for-nothing fellow, Mom. How to gain the experience was not taught in my school. And also not in my college. Why all that? Even you also didn't tell me. Chah. Why, Mom? This Ganga, she studied 10th standard with me, but started part-time job in just 6 months. In 1.5 years, Singapore training. Because she studied in Chennai's Amrita. You know where she is now? I saw in Facebook. She is in Australia now. 7 years. I finished +2 UG PG. But when I come out, they say I'm a fresher with no work experience. But at the same time, for Ganga, she has got 5 years of work experience. And that's why she's a manager in a 5-star hotel. I don't know, Mom. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I'm very sorry.
Excellent, son. Only today you have spoken wisely.
What is this? He's blabbering something out of frustration. Why are you also talking like him?
Who? Me, is it? I told you that day itself very clearly that we should also send our son to Chennai's Amrita like Ganga. Did you listen? Remember how much you fought? You said, my son has to get degree after degree and will go places in 7 years. Now see, where has he gone and come around? We have lost everything, and soon the house will also be auctioned. We have been served with a notice also. Losing money, properties, this house, all these do not matter to me at all. But my son's self-confidence is lost. In his life, he has lost 7 precious years. Only that I am not able to bear. It's unbearable. Go. Take him to his room before he faints and passes out. Go. I'm going out for some time and will be back soon. Go.
Dear, can you ask Ganga if our son can also get a seat in Chennai's Amrita?
Ganga studied there 5 years ago. It's not that easy to get a seat in Chennai's Amrita at your whim and wish. Do you understand?
Is Mr. Parandaman at home?
1 minute, sir. Dear, what is happening here? The bank manager is at our doorstep with people and you've packed our luggage? I can't understand.
Just go.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Please don't misunderstand me, Mr. Parandaman. You have lived in the same city prosperously for generations. Even I tried my best from my end. But now this is beyond my control, sir. Sorry, sir.
Leave that, sir. If we could not repay the loan, what can you do about it? Please give us some time. My son is yet to wake up. We will vacate as soon as he wakes up. Rajam, go and wake your son.
Okay, dear. Our situation has become miserable.
Just come quietly.
Paramdama, where are you going with luggage? Out of station?
Yes, a relative fell sick suddenly in my hometown. We got information. We did not know what to do, so we just started immediately to go there.
Okay, get in the car. I will drop you at bus station.
Dear,
Come, let's
Come.
go.
come, dear, let's go.
Daddy,
Paramdama, our Ganga has purchased a new house. She has also become a senior manager in the same hotel where she works. The house is on the way. Just 5 minutes. Can we visit and go?
Of course. Let's go see the house. Muthu, have you purchased a house in our area?
Yes.
Dear, this is on the way to our house.
Hey, why did you come here?
Everybody get down. I will explain.
come on,
Come,
on,
yaar.
auntie.
Don't
Muthu,
worry.
why have you brought me here?
Come, I will tell you.
Come, Mom.
Here, Mr. Parandaman. This is the house Ganga purchased. Not able to figure out, isn't it? Ganga has paid off all your loans. If we seize the property, we will put up a notice. Amina and all those people will come. But we did not do anything like that. Did you not wonder why? Okay, bye, sir.
Okay. Even last time, I offered the loan, but you refused. That's why we had to do like this. It's Ganga's idea.
Relax, uncle. Even now it's not late. Somehow managed to get your son a seat in Chennai's Amrita. Just about 3 years. Once he studies properly and finishes the course, I will get him a superb job in the same 5-star hotel where I work, okay? We'll take leave, uncle.
We are leaving, Paramdama. Hey, Paramdama.
Huh?
Since our childhood times, you will first come and show me whatever you buy. Now you have purchased such a big house, but you have not yet told me.
Brother, as Ganga said, we enrolled our son also in Chennai's Amrita and he studied well. Now he is also going abroad for training.
I told you, didn't I? Studying in Chennai's Amrita itself is gaining work experience. What do you say?
Yes, uncle. No one can say that I do not have work experience henceforth.